Ukraine has launched one of its largest long-range drone operations of the war, with Russian authorities claiming that 660 Ukrainian drones were intercepted overnight across multiple regions. According to Russia's Ministry of Defense, the massive barrage targeted more than a dozen regions, including Moscow, Crimea, the Black Sea, and the Sea of Azov. Moscow Mayor Sergei Sobyanin stated that at least 47 drones heading toward the Russian capital were intercepted before reaching their targets. Emergency crews were deployed to areas where drone debris fell, although officials reported no immediate fatalities or major damage. The scale of the operation temporarily disrupted air traffic at Domodedovo, Vnukovo, and Sheremetyevo airports, where authorities imposed temporary flight restrictions before gradually restoring operations. One of the most significant reported targets was the Azot chemical plant in Novomoskovsk, Tula region. Local residents reported hearing explosions for several hours, while social media posts described power outages and a strong smell of ammonia following the attack. The Azot facility is one of Russia's largest chemical enterprises, producing ammonia, nitric acid, methanol, mineral fertilizers, and other industrial chemicals. Open-source analysts have previously linked the plant to Russia's defense industry, saying it supplies chemical materials used in the production of explosives and ammunition. The same facility was also targeted earlier this month when a previous drone strike reportedly caused a fire. Meanwhile, explosions were also reported in Russian-occupied Crimea, particularly near the Kerch ferry crossing. Russian monitoring channels said blasts were heard throughout the area, while local residents reported smoke and the smell of burning. The Kerch ferry crossing has become one of Russia's most critical military logistics routes following repeated attacks on the Kerch Bridge. It serves as a key transportation link for military personnel, armored vehicles, ammunition, and supplies moving between mainland Russia and occupied Crimea. This latest operation follows a series of increasingly large Ukrainian drone attacks throughout June. Russian authorities previously reported intercepting dozens of drones near Moscow on multiple occasions, but the claimed figure of 660 drones marks one of the largest single-night drone attacks since the beginning of the full-scale war. Ukraine has consistently stated that these long-range strikes are designed to weaken Russia's military logistics, disrupt industrial production linked to the defense sector, and increase pressure on infrastructure supporting Moscow's war effort. As both sides continue expanding their drone capabilities, long-range unmanned attacks are becoming one of the defining features of the conflict, reaching hundreds of kilometers beyond the front line and increasingly targeting strategic infrastructure deep inside enemy territory.